Tennessee is lagging behind President Biden's goal of getting 70% of the state's adult population vaccinated with at least one shot by July 4th. That's according to a Vanderbilt Medical Center infectious disease expert. State Capitol reporter Gerald Harris explains why doctors say the state could be left vulnerable if more people don't get the shot.
An improving pandemic marked by fewer cases of the coronavirus, fewer people in the hospital, and fewer people dying.
But it's also important to know that the pandemic is still with us. Currently in the state of Tennessee, there are over 400 people in the hospital right now with COVID-19.
President Joe Biden set a goal of at least 70% of adults started on vaccinations. 33.5% of all Tennesseans are fully vaccinated.
Now we're somewhere between 30 and 40% of our population at least having started getting vaccinated, which is far behind the nation. And there are actually some states where their population is over 70% vaccinated, particularly in adults. It's very clear that Tennessee is lagging, and we need to be able to do better.
Dr. David Aronoff, the director of Vanderbilt University's Infectious Diseases Division, says more should be done to increase immunity to the virus.
We've seen nearly 13,000 lives lost in our state from this ongoing pandemic, and there's the ever-present threat that we could see disease activity pick up again, particularly if we start to see new variants of the SARS-CoV-2 virus in our area.
Dr. Aronoff says the goal from Biden is a big challenge, but one that could be attained later in the year.
In the state of Tennessee, where our numbers are lagging far behind the rest of the country, I think we really are looking at months out if we don't do something to help get people immunized sooner. So 70% could be August, it could be September. At the current rate where we're going.
39.4% of Tennesseans have received one shot of the coronavirus vaccine. In Nashville, I'm Gerald Harris.
Now, Knox County is doing a bit better than the rest of the state. Nearly 46% of people here have gotten at least one dose. The State Department of Health launched a Give It a Shot COVID-19 campaign on May 1st. It will run through November to increase awareness of available vaccines. The total cost for that campaign, by the way, is $2.5 million.